What are some of the other common mistakes when choosing a dog food for your dog?
By far, number one is fixating on the latest buzz. Right now, the latest buzz is grain-free versus grains in the diet. Um, there is so much misconception around that. Another buzz is meat versus byproduct. Later on in this discussion, I'll tell you there isn't much difference between meat and byproducts. And so this buzz is leading people to make much more costly decisions about food than they need to. And then, of course, the whole idea of filler, which has no definition and is often attributed to grains, when grains actually contribute vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, whereas fiber would be a true filler, but nobody seems to be upset about the citrus pulp or the beet pulp in their dog's food. So we got to stay away from buzz. And the second thing is assuming that all of your dog's skin and digestive problems are a result of food and diet. That is actually not the case. Most of the time, even though I do nutritional counseling, I make sure that we've had a thorough workup on these animals because most of the time they have a disease condition that's causing this, and we can use food to help manage it. But just switching up foods constantly isn't going to be the answer. Third is assuming that a hypoallergenic diet or dog food, something that has duck and potato or venison and potato, is somehow going to prevent allergies in your dog. That's not the case. Allergies is a genetic predisposition. And if you're going to become allergic, you're going to become allergic. The fourth would be purchasing too large a bag. What folks don't realize is the minute you open a bag of dog food, the air begins to oxidize a lot of the minerals, vitamins, a lot of the fats, and because most dog foods are using natural preservatives like vitamin C and vitamin E, those are all subject to degradation by oxygen. And so if you get a bag that's going to last you 2 or 3 months, by the time you get to that 3-month period, a lot of the vitamin and preservative value and fat value has long evaporated. And this is true even if you keep it in a closed container. So I recommend that people buy food for about 3 weeks to 4 weeks. And that way they can feel assured that the very last bite is as good as the first bite.